Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make toast on one of these camp toasters. Looks like this when it's assembled, folds down flat on a Coleman camping stove. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to heat that up. Okay, so I have it heating up there. It's pretty hot now, so I'm going to put the bread on. This thing does 4 slices of bread. I'm only doing 2 because that's all I want. But what you do now is you put the bread, set it like that, and then you just wait, monitor it halfway through. Okay, it's starting to toast now. As you can see, the bottom's getting done. So what I like to do before I flip it and cook the other side is I flip it like this so that the top gets nice and toasted too. Okay, now I'm gonna flip the toast and let the other side cook. It's not as toasty, but still pretty good. And there we go. Now we'll wait for that side to toast. All right, it's just about finished here, so I'm going to take it off. And there we go, nice, beautiful toast made on the camp stove. It definitely takes longer than cooking on in a traditional toaster, but gets it done when you're camping. So if you enjoyed this video, please like this, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.